Good morning. It is the 29th of September. This is our E3 weekly market report. Exports have just come out. We're going to go straight to those exports right now. We've got cotton showing sales of 197,900 running bales. That's up 45% from the previous week, but down 26% from the 4-week average. No, I'm sorry. They had posted the old ones. I just updated. We've got a smaller number, so please forgive me for that. I did not see that they had posted the old numbers just now. They brought up the new ones. So let's go back to that. Cotton, 91,600 running bales, a marketing year low, down 54% from the previous week and 63% under the 4-week average. China took 21,600. Indonesia took 17,200. South Korea took 14,600. Reaction of the market, cotton was up 13 just before the report. Now it's down 17. Going next to soybeans. Soybeans net sales, a pretty good number, 1,692,800 metric tons. China took 833,600. Unknown destinations took 528,800. Taiwan took 131,000. The soybean market was up 8.25 just before the report. Right now it's up 8.5. Corn sales of 525,000 metric tons, and the primary destinations were Mexico took 286,200. Colombia took 230,300. South Korea took 68,200. Corn was up 3.25 before the report. Right now it's up 3. Looking at wheat, sales of 570,800, and that's up 2% from the previous week and up 20% from the 4-week average. Morocco took 145,000 metric tons. Mexico took 112,300 metric tons. The Philippines took 107,800 metric tons. And the reaction of the wheat market was up 2.25 just before the report, and right now the wheat market is up 2.25, no change. Let's look at crop progress that came out Monday. It showed in the good to excellent category that cotton was unchanged at 48%. We were 10% harvested. That is the average for this time of the year. Soybeans and corn were both in the good to excellent category, unchanged from the previous week. Soybean harvest, 10%. The average for this time of the year is normally 13%. Slightly behind there. Corn, 15% harvested. Its average for this time of the year should be 19%, so behind there. And winter wheat planted, we've got 30% of the crop planted, and that's the average. I'll only say this about the markets and the outlook. We've mentioned this for some time. This is approaching a time of the year when seasonal lows are made in soybeans and corn. Will that happen again? Well, that's just what the seasonals have in the past done. There's no guarantee of the future. We do have tomorrow morning a grain stocks report coming out, so I do feel that in this time frame, you should be very vigilant in watching the market. If there's anything you need to do concerning possibly buying back a crop, there might be an opportunity for that here in this time frame that we're in or about to be in. As far as the cotton goes, the seasonal pattern there is the low usually comes in between the middle of November and the 1st of December. All this has to do with harvest pressure. It's just as you're getting into harvest. But there is a shorter term seasonal for cotton that comes in around the first part of October, where we see the market typically bounce for a couple of weeks. We'll see if that holds true this year, but we have had a sell-off here recently in the cotton market, and it's under some pressure today, down 20 at 68.28. Going back to beans, up 9.25, so that's firmed up a penny. December corn is 331.75, up 2.5. It's actually down close to a penny from where it was before these exports came out. Wheat up 2.25. And that's unchanged. That's really it. We will not have a broadcast later today or tomorrow. I'll be out of the office. So we hope you have a good day and the rest of the weekend. So that's it. We'll talk to you later. Thank you.